Look at it, still bubbling. Fall apart, 12 hours. Look at that. Thing just falling apart. Gonna throw it in the fridge, let it come to room temperature, and then throw it in the fridge. 12 hours at 350. That looks yummy. And the bone falls off the bone. Cooked it in orange pineapple juice. Yummy. That's a bone. Get rid of the bones. Don't touch it. Very hot. And if you're wondering, I cooked it in orange pineapple juice. Tree ripe. Thank you very much. Just pulls away. Oh, look at that. Ow, it's hot. This is probably going to be the best ham I've ever had in my entire life. We got to taste that. Can't wait. We're going for the dark piece. It's way too hot. Melts in your mouth. Best ham I ever made. All right. Leave it like that. The overcooked part, I'll leave it in the liquid so it'll soften up. And I think once I throw this in the fridge, all the oil will solidify, and then I'll strain it and do a reduction with the broth. Yummy. Love this.